Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Helen is 3 times as old as her son. After 13 years, Helen will be 2 times as old as her son. So we have to find the current age of Helen and her son. So we'll assume that let the age of Helen, the current age is X and the age of her son is Y. Now after 13 years, we can say that age of Helen will become 13 plus x and age of her son will become 13 plus y. Now according to question we can say that it is given that after 13 years the age of Helen will become 2 times the age of her son. So we can write this relation, and here we can see we will obtain the relation between x and y as x minus 2y equal to 13. Let this be first equation. And also it is given that the age of Helen is 3 times as old as her son. So x is equal to 3y. Let this be second equation. Now from equation 1 and 2 we can simplify and obtain the value of x and y. Let us substitute the value of x as 3y in equation 1. So 3y minus 2y will become 13. Hence we obtained y as 13. So y is 13, therefore x is 3 times of 13, which is equal to 39. Now we have obtained x and y, and this is the age of Helen and her son. So age of Helen is 39 years and age of her son is y, which is 13 years. So 39 years and 13 years is the answer, which is option D. So we can say that the answer is option D.